Namaste. So the recent CCRAS notification has various vacancy posts, so among which one of them is the research officer in relation to IT. So in this video we are going to see the eligibility criteria and other things in relation to the same. Also we'll see what is the exact salary structure for this post. Kindly watch this video till the end. So by now you are already aware regarding the vacancy notification from CCRAS under the Ministry of AYUSH. One of the vacancy posts is called as research officer in the field of IT, that is information technology. Now in this video we are going to see exact details of the same. The initial application date was 15th of July and it can go up to August 14th. So still there is huge amount of time. Only one post is available and that is for unreserved category, and it is specifically for New Delhi, that is headquarters of CCRAS. Now the maximum age limit is 40 years and the eligibility criteria is basically the essential qualification being the master's degree in information technology or computer science. So this is a master's degree, so the post graduation is a must. Along with that there should be 3 years experience after obtaining master's degree or Ph.D. Now the second option is an optional. A is compulsory, that is master's degree is compulsory. Either you have master's degree with Ph.D, that is sufficient. If you don't have PhD, after master's degree, you have to work in 3 years in any of the organization as mentioned here. So that is in relation to the eligibility criteria. Now the eligibility will be initially done and then will be asked to write a test, screening test, and that will comprise of 70 marks and that will be followed by interview which carries 30 marks. Totally there will be 100 mark assessment criteria for each candidate. The duration of the exam will be 1 hour, so every question will have less than 1 minute of time for you to answer in general, average. Negative marking is a important matter here. 1/4 of mark is deducted for any wrong answer. If you don't attempt any, it's okay, 0, but if you attempt it wrong, then minus quarter, that is minus 0.25. For certain categories and especially the female candidates, the fees is exempted, whereas male, OBC and the general categories scholars are supposed to fill 1500 for the application. Now the examination will be held in multiple cities across India. You can see here each state has at least one place. Most of the states, of course not all, most of the place depending on the past experience of CCRAS. Now the pay structure is based on 7th pay commission, pay level 10. Just like the research officer of Ayurveda, here also the payment is pay 7th pay commission, level 10. Now the difference is, in the case of Ayurveda officer, it was including the NPA, non-practicing allowance. Here there is no NPA. Other things are same: basic, grade, dearness allowance, then you have house rental allowance as well as traveling allowance. Basic pay starts with 5600, level 10. You can see the grade paid is 6600. Now the dearness allowance every 6 months gets varied, gets revised. At present in Delhi, or as you can say the DA is common all across India, it comes to about 21,000. Now HRA, since the Delhi is a tier X city, the HRA comes to about 15,000. Now the TA again, depending on the Delhi being TPTA city, the DA comes at present about 9,936. Exact calculations are here, you can see how it is calculated. And then the total salary, when you add all these things, you are going to get around 1,09,000. Just like Ayurveda officer, only difference there was NPA. So because of NPA it comes to about 1.2, here it is almost about 1.1. So this will be the initial salary of a research officer in the field of IT who is getting hired in CCRAS through the screening test followed by the interview. So until next time, thank you.